Okay, let us start our next topic, that is circle. Mensuration we have to deal with now. Okay, let us start our next topic, that is circle. Mensuration we have to deal with now. First of all, what is a circle? To define circle, we can say that circle is the collection of all the points which are equidistant. Circle is a collection of all the points which are equidistant, which are equidistant from a fixed point in a given plane. Now the fixed point is called as center of the circle, and the distance is known as or called as radius of the given circle. A circle is denoted by C, O, R, where O represents the center and R represents the circle, the radius of the circle. Now, know about the various terms used in circle. Various terms related to circle. The various terms related to circle are, let us know about first of all arc. Let us assume that we have given a circle like this, okay, in which O is the center and R is the radius of the given circle. Now a part of a circle like this AB, it is a part of the given circle. This part is known as the arc of the given circle and it is represented by arc AB. Okay, so arc is a part of the circle. Okay, now let us talk about now code AB. The definition of chord is given by, chord is a line which join any 2 points on the given circle, like this point and this point. If we are joining these points, then the line AB is called as the chord of the given circle. Okay, so chord AB. This is chord AB. Now, what happened if the chord is passing through the center? The chord that is passing through the center is known as diameter. Diameter is the chord passing through the center. Okay, this is the longest chord of any circle. Longest chord of the given circle. Also, diameter is double of radius. Okay, so here we have known about diameter. Now let us introduce by various other new terms. The fourth one is sector. What is a sector? Okay, see, if we are given a circle and O is center and A and B are 2 points on the given circle, A and B, then this part OAB is known as the sector. That means the area of a chord and the two radii OA and OB is known as the sector. Okay, here are two sectors. First is minor sector and the other one is major sector. Minor sector and major sector. Minor sector is the part that is minor in area, lesser in area, and the part which is more in area is known as major sector. Okay, so here if I talk about OACB, then this is the minor sector and the remaining part of circle is major sector. Okay, hence we can also know about the angle between the two radii. Okay, now the next term is segment. The definition of segment is given by that the area between a chord and the minor arc, the area that is subtended by the given chord and respective minor arc is known as segment. Now also here we have two terms, that is minor segment and major segment. Again, the segment which has less area is known as minor segment and the segment which has more area is known as major segment. Okay, there are two types of segment. The remaining part is known as major segment. Okay, now if we are talking about diameter, then we know that diameter divides the given circle in two halves and both the parts are known as semicircle. So the region between two radii and the respective arc is sector. The region between the chord and the respective arc is segment, and the semi. Now let us come to the next topic. The next term. What is the relation between a line and a circle? If a circle is given to us and a line is given to us, then there may be two types of relation. First, the line is touching the circle, or the line is intersecting the circle. The line that is intersecting the circle at 2 points, this line is called as secant, and the line that is touching the circle at 1 point is known as tangent. Okay, on a given circle we can draw infinitely many tangents and seconds, but on a given point on the given circle we can draw only one tangent. Okay, now that means on point P we can draw only one tangent. Okay, and we can draw only 1 second passing through two given points A, B. Okay, now let us come to theorem part. Theorem first says the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Now the perpendicular, first of all, to prove a theorem, first we have to write as given what is given to us. The given, we have given a circle on which a chord AB is given to us, and OM is the perpendicular from O to the given chord. Okay, what we have to prove? We have to prove that the chord is bisecting, the perpendicular is bisecting the chord. That means AM is equal to MB. We have to construct something. Let us draw first the diagram of the given problem that we have. Now we will construct something. What we will construct? We will construct two radius that will join OA and OB. Now in proof we can see that in triangle OAM and triangle OBM, in triangle OAM and OBM we can see that OA equal to OB equal to, why they are? Because they are radii of the same circle. Now angle OMA is equal to angle OMB. Why? Because they are 90 degree right angle triangle, and OM is equal to OM, that is common between them. So by RHS congruency rule we can say that triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM. Then by CPCT we can say that AM is equal to BM by CPCT. Okay, understood? Now let's move to the next topic. The statement of the next theorem is given as the line joining the center and the midpoint of a chord bisects the chord, is perpendicular to the chord. We can similarly prove that. Okay, now the next theorem is equal chords subtends equal angles at the center. Equal chords subtends equal angles at the center. Okay, that means in a circle we have given two chords, let it be A, B and CD. That two chords is given to us and a center O is given to us. Now we will join AO and BO and OC and OD. Now we have two triangles OAB and OCD in which we know that AB is equal to CD. Okay, so Let us come straight to the proof. In proof, we will have two triangles in triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, we will have AO equal to CO, OB is equal to OD. Why? Because they are radii of the same circle. Similarly, AB equal to CD. Why? Because it is given to us that the chords are equal in length, so it is given. Now, by SSS congruency rule, by SSS congruency rule, we can say that both the triangles, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So by CPCD, we can say that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? By CPCT. That we have to prove. Okay. Converse of this theorem is also true. Converse of theorem 3 is also true. That means if the angles subtended by two chords of a circle are equal, then the chords are equal in length. We can similarly prove that. Thank you.